But I know that if he were still alive, it would be one of his proudest moments to see his son named as the United States ambassador to his ancestral homeland.
Earlier today, Michelle and I visited Monegal, where we saw my ancestral home and dropped by the local pub. And we came to know exiles and refugees who never lost touch with their families or their ancestral home.
Mr. President, you rightly said that Israel, the Jewish state, is the realization of the Jewish people's self-determination in our ancestral homeland.
I just heard recently that this group of people is fighting to protect their ancestral land against the Dakota Access Pipeline.